Yeah, man, this is Public Report, and guess what? This is the first video for 2024. Thank you to everybody that has been supporting the movement, the growth, because as I always say, I'm a work in progress. You know what I mean? Thanks for the support from, all of the likes, the shares, the comments, whether it be a, phone call or something. This a brother here, I don't know what, I don't know what him problem. He couldn't walk around this. So, but guess what? As we say, tell me what I go on constantly, because I love to, I love to hear what I go on so I can actually grow to a different, dimension. All right? So this video is the first one for 2024. I'm wanting to check it out. You want to say something, sir?
Which video you talk about?
Eh?
Which video you talk about?
Eh?
Which video you talk about?
The video name. What we call the video name? Hard working man. Eh? What we call the video?
Oh, wait. Are your new movie this with Public Report tonight?
Yes, sir.
And who and Chaz?
Yes, sir.
And Candy?
You know Chaz?
Yo,
you
know
Chaz?
the people in white. Yo. Big up Chaz and big up Candy and big up Public Report. Yo, me love watching the film. Me love watching the movie. Yo,
all
Mr.
right.
Maria tonight. Hey.
All right.
Yo, big autograph though. Big
Autograph?
Jesus.
Oh, so see my sister come support me, yeah. You know what I mean? Oh, you mean? Tell him what I go on. Tell him watch the video. Tell him just watch the video.
Come on, person, you saw me do it.
Tell him just watch the video. Just tell him.
Watch the video
Bad them up.
straight
Tell them so now.
to the world right now.
Oh.
Public Report official. I hate that.
Oh, you mean?
But no. Wait, no. Me just want big up my family, them.
Watch the video.
Yes, boss. Yeah, man. Me a forward, you know. If I work, I work. I'm just a hard-working man. Oh, yes, I've got my plan. I'm just a hard-working man. Boss, you better understand. Because me nah beg you nothing. I know me nah thief. Me a no alley button. So if me come work, you better give me something. Holiday a come and me want cook mutton. I'm just a hard-working man. Oh yes, me have my plan. I'm just a hard-working man. No thief. Me a no alley button. So if me come work, you better give me something. Baby, cause me have my plan. Nobody give me peace. Please don't diss me. Because me never do the work in a pieces. Please don't make me go drop anything. Please give me up my
Oh, boy.
There.
Been good?
Yeah.
A long time I not come by, sister.
A long time you no see you. Where you going with? Where you want now?
Why, Brandy? There, man. You are. Give me a red stripe beer there.
Hot or cold?
Cold one. How will you a drink?
Wait, me soon tell you. I not even remember when I put it open. You can't pull it with the teeth. Or you have lighter.
John was start.
Or buckle, or
yeah,
you
man,
not
I
a
can use
lighter?
this. I can use this.
Use a lighter.
Ah.
Oh, you pull it.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Alright,
man.
that's
Respect.
good.
But remember to take something for yourself.
Yeah,
man.
me I go take something for myself. May I take one Lucas here, there?
Yeah, man. No problem, man.
Right, you don't know what I say. No cold one in there. I'm in a drink it hot one, them they not taste good. Me can't take one Arizona, not sure.
Sand. Sandy.
Hey, the amount of time when you call me Sandy, you have a woman named Sandy, my name. Brandy, my name. Cheers.
Ah, man.
Alright, bless up
Alright.
yourself. Yes.
So I'm going to the family. Everybody alright?
I mean, have no fingernail. Put it for me.
No problem. No problem.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Alright, but I'll do you buy this. Give me, I forgot give me tip, you know. You know, so the wages. Little wages where the boss I give me that little beanie bit of money there.
Nah, work
Then little
out.
bit of money there now work out. Then little wages that you run there. So with your friend, what a man can chat and smoke. You notice how the shop always stack and me make it stack so all when I fame business and I work with him. The man who that drink down everything out here and smoke like him idea. Me I wonder what to fame woman. The man can't save no money, no every money where you see that man there with that me making have, you know, that's why he can't fire me.
Yo, I know how the thing goes still in, but watch out now. Remember my work, you know, I always have my little hustling and thing.
You
I have
never pay
contracts
me,
every
you
now
never
and
pay
again.
me. You
I
never
have my
pay
contract work on every now and again. So
You never pay me.
yeah, man. How much is that?
Just give me $1,000, man. Me give back your change. Little money this year. Alright.
Yeah, man. So we link, alright?
Yeah.
Remember, I know.
Alright.
If anytime I want to,
Yeah,
want to
man,
work,
little more. Yes.
link me up.
Alright, cool.
Cool. my daughter, your face looks so.
No,
Eh?
no, how my face look?
Your face look like you and somebody just have an argument.
No, so I just snap me that snap right there, so.
Yeah, snap.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I'm proud of you, you know. You're going good. I'm in love with you going good at school. You understand? But you are going now. The season, I don't know what happened if it because here now. School has start back in 2 weeks. But I try to work on some money for organize certain things. Because I know you want to go out and enjoy yourself. See you miss Christmas, then I get to go Christmas out and all these things. Here, so I bear with me because I try to work for one little work. I have to make sure, say, you understand, you're alright. Alright, Angel? I'm proud of you, you know, so keep up the good work. Alright? So I go to work and one thing. So hopefully by later on, the man give me a better talk about the money.
So,
Yeah?
Daddy, why you always are coming all of these excuses? I want to go out to, you know, me a young girl, you know, I want to enjoy life or something too. All of my friends, them go out and me have to lock up in a house or something. At Christmas, you know.
No follow your friend them.
I don't both follow friend.
No follow
But
them.
every holiday is a nice excuse.
I know, say it's hard for you bear with me in this case, yeah, but me I do the best me can do. Yeah?
So you see?
I'm gonna work it out, man. Yeah? You see, sometimes I know the race is not for the swift, but it's for who can endure it. No follow your friend them and them get them fastest, you don't know where they get it from. That's the first thing. Your father there, me I work for make sure see anything you get, it I go stay with you. Kind of thief me a thief and I beg you. Me I work for it. Alright, ma'am? Me I go to work now and so I can organize it.
Alright, Daddy.
It sounds like you're sick too.
Yeah.
You feel sick for you? Eh?
Yeah, me have flu.
You look a flu? Alright, me go say I can make sure so I hurt money and say I can carry a doctor tomorrow. Here? I love you. Hear me, daughter?
Yeah.
I'm just a hard-working man. Oh yes, I've got my pride. I'm just a hard-working man. Bossy better understand. Because me not beg you nothing. I know me not thief. Me a no alley button. So if me come work, you better give me something. Holiday you come on me want.
Where you come big?
Why, every time you come up here, say I beg a piece
You
of me I
beg
beg
too
something.
much, that's why me I ask you. Time for you to stop big now.
But you always just say me I beg something.
And where you come about now? Where you come about?
I thought I come to talk to you about
Then-
some situation.
Talk to me.
Alright, it's like say, I want to work. You understand? Because all of the job that I try to acquire in that space of time, them, the people them have no more work. In my job, them where you put me on, and you say, if I not, I can come check you back again. So I don't know if you know nobody who can
Me.
recommend for me again.
Me.
Brand in the school, man.
Me. If you know where the man call me and tell me say about you. Your finger the man of fear.
No, Brandon, no me.
How?
I wrong. Alright, listen to me. You see,
Much
last
how they work there?
about 7 now we are work there.
Well, the man say.
I know me the only Rasta there. No.
Listen, the man say about 4 to 5 hours. I don't remember how much I saw. I ask you how much hours they work there. The man missing things and he don't know who. So he said, all of we will recommend people to him for give them job. You don't make no sense.
Brandy, I know me. Me I
Me
tell
go-
you, you don't know me
Me
already.
don't
Me is
know
not a
who.
thief. But
Me
me is
just
not a
tell
thief.
you, say, if I you is a fingersmith and me cannot recommend you to nobody else because you're going to put me in a trouble. Where you
I
going to
can't do that. Listen, Brandy.
So what you going to do?
Listen to me now, man. You hear me first? At 7 now we went there.
I said,
When me left off of the place and get me pay and go on my yard, me I hear a story. And then when the boss call me, then run the camera and see say me and me never did it.
oh.
So me don't know why you come at me like that. You don't know say I'm not that kind of person.
No, know who and to me know say, I know me alone send people there for work, but me know say me send you. Me I wonder if I you. Cause me know if you go take you and send you go one next place again and sing go up again and me one going and problem. So you sure say I know you take it?
Brand, that's cool, no man. Me is not
All
that
right.
kind of person. When last you come look for your niece? Too?
Alright, you see I know you.
When last you come look for your niece?
Me not have the time. You see if I walk with me have me yard do? Look, the whole of them here, me just carry them from around the back. Me not have nobody to help me do it so.
So you make me do
If
work
you
for
want, that me go say to you, if you want come help me in the yard until me get something else for you, no problem. So take up them here now And care ground so me have one little change in my house, me can give you half of it. Me no want it back from you, because me know say you're my brother and me no want you dead for hungry and go thief people things, because you say I know you, so thank God I know you.
Keep on saying thief people
No,
things
because
like me. I can't
the
me.
man not a bother me phone.
But me I tell you say I two rasta and they run the tape and then sister no me. When me left and gone, the next rasta when did it.
I go tell you something.
And that they mix
You
up.
see, that man that when me send you to get the job, I know him for a very long time. But you see that man, it's like he not trust nobody. All we need to know say you can see the way the man they say to me, it look like he want me to believe say you take it.
No, but he can't do that
But
because...
no, you say the camera run. So why you not tell me saying see different?
But how long you see? How long you see him from the situation? I bet you not see him in a long time. That's a problem. You have to go confirm of that.
Confirm.
Brandy.
That's true. I can't remember the last time I see him, but a good little while now.
Exactly, a long time business that clear off. That come on all news and sit and say, everything clear up.
Anyway, just forget about that. Take up them here. Around I back me I carry them from. I tired me really want them to go right there so go pack up because I want Chuck to come pick them up, so all you do just put them there. The little money when I tell you say in my house, all me do me give you part of it. And I know a whole lot more place. I know a whole lot more people who have some business place. So all me go do, ask them if they have no vacancy so you can get a job. You hear me?
That's like a plan.
All
so
right.
come tell me if you know.
Come take up them here right now.
Right now? Yeah, man.
Right now. Put
Of
them
course.
over there, so.
All right.
Yeah. I can't help you too, you know.
No, man, I'm a good man. Come on, you got saying give me everything.
Bump on John.
You want to bump?
Bro. Me know somebody. One of my good friend. But me can give you. Hold on. Let me see me have a number still. Me can give you a number. Alright, Sita. Take that number here. Take this. Put in your phone. Call him. Yes, tell him say a Brandy send you to him. Now make sure say me call him right now, yeah? And make him aware say I come.
All right. Yeah, man.
Make sure say going now.
Me I check him, man.
Because that the man they ever have vacancy. Okay, so make sure you say.
Link him up.
When you get to work, you do your thing. Do your work honestly, collect your pay, guy your yard. Don't touch nothing there.
Listen to me, Brandy. Me not thief. So stop do that. Me hard working man. Me have me need. Yeah, we feel needs round so.
No disrespect.
Look how long we are work, man.
No disrespect.
Me like
bro.
we are talk about finger and he's sitting there. Eh?
Wait, hold on. Hey, look here.
I'll link him up.
Not nobody put them over there, so. Take them back from over there so and put them over here, so me not bother.
Brandy, me not like your style, no, Brandy. That's why I think sometimes me can't bother, because me no know. So put them back over here, so.
Just take them up back from this and put over here, so I know nothing that there. A little easy work, this I don't know hard work.
Go on for money. Go on for money for you. Go on for money.
Just, so
Yeah, go on for money.
do it before me.
Brandy.
Start put them over here so I go for your money here. Yeah, put them back.
Brandy, go on for money, Brandy.
Put them back, man. Put back everything here, so.
Come here. Me hear Angel have a little cough. And me I say to her, say, me go try to link you and see if you can organize it. I have to carry go to a doctor.
When you're done.
Brandy, go for money, Brandy.
When you're done, you can go rake up there, so when you're done. You hear?
Yeah.
You go for your money.
And carry wake up.
Yeah. Alright. Alright.
Carry wake up. Jesus Christ, man, Brandy. Ah, there's some tricks me like how Brandy. Brandy, there's a trick me. I never know why you give me correct. Give Mr. Chaz.
Well, go on, bro.
I'm there, Papa. Everything good?
Yeah, man. Yeah, go on. Search out this thing, yeah. Where you did it?
They know, say, my sister when said to me, say, me can come get a link. I'm the perfect man to like line up some, some job. Because, like I come on to the holiday, sir, it's like me don't want to forget some stuff, done.
So who is your sister again?
You know Brandy?
Brandy, that
Brandy, man. Brandy, what
from
live?
down the road.
What run the bar?
Oh, okay. And you are?
My name is Public.
Oh, Public.
Yeah,
So
Public.
you're our brother?
Yes, sir, Mr. Brother.
Okay. So what she say about it? What she say me can do for you? What can I do for you?
Yeah, man. She say, like normally you go on some different work and you have people organize and, get some jobs done. Because I'm not going to specify and say I want to chop yard or I want to do this or that. But I know say, she say you are the man.
I understand. You have any qualifications?
Yeah, man, say me went to go high school and
You know what? Forget about the qualification. Alright, so I can tell you how it goes.
Yes, boss.
Alright, so I normally get contracts. I'm a person in the streets and I get certain contracts, People will give me contracts for sort out them house finishing and them little things there.
Yes, boss,
And
I can do them something, man.
I definitely need some help. I need some more assistance coming up to the holiday. It I got depend on me because people want to pretty up them place.
Yes, boss.
Painting and refurbishing and all them look something there.
Yes, boss.
So you feel like you can definitely take on a
Yeah.
task like that?
Brother, me tell you say, alright, me now go tell you say my best painter, man, my best on certain things, but me can do my best, boss. I promise you, me can do my best.
That is what I want to hear.
Yes,
And you
boss.
sound like you're eager for this work.
Yeah, man, because, me have a lot of things to say.
I like that. You
Yes,
know?
man.
From you have motivation and a reason for do it,
Yes, sir.
you will get the job done.
Yeah,
So hear
man.
what? Check me tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. I'm going to
Yes,
bring
boss.
up on our work.
Alright, boss, no
Yeah,
problem.
man. Respect.
Yeah, man. So, give me your number, no, boss.
No problem, man. No problem.
So, me can actually
No problem.
contact you.
No problem at all.
I can put my phone.
Alright. I'll give me a call.
Yes, boss, I definitely give you a call. Your boss,
So just check me.
Sam, man,
tomorrow.
your boss.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Respect, boss.
Yeah, man. Take it easy. Yeah, man. That's all I like when time people come out eager for work. Yeah. Yes, man. I like it.
Angel. First day. Angel,
Yes, Daddy.
come to you.
Really.
Me have to left and I have to brush my teeth. Come. Come to your belly.
Daddy, after the time I'm not doing no man, you have to go get one of that for me,
Angel, you see time?
Daddy, but I never left no money, man, I want it.
Angel,
Yes, Daddy.
use this, you know.
Daddy, I'm not going to use this, so that can't work.
Me late, Angel.
That can't work, Daddy.
Alright, I soon come. Why you just put me in a
Nobody
problem?
take long, you know.
Angel,
Yes, Daddy.
me go open the door and flick it in here.
Alright.
Go catch it. Later on, here. You have to go to work now, me go late. Alright. Later, love you, my daughter. Morning, boss.
Morning. Big man, what time I tell you say for forward there, sir?
8 o'clock.
How much time now?
I just 5 minutes late, boss. 8:05.
By 5 minutes past. Look, listen to me, big man. 5 minutes after 8 means 5 minutes out of your pay. What you think? I'm a party shop me running, you know? A business, you know?
Me understand,
You have to be
boss.
punctual.
Boss, it's just a one-time thing. It not happen again. I promise you.
But first impression last.
That's true, boss. But trust me, you see, just because me have a daughter and me have to sort out some things for her first. And this morning, she don't feel too well. So me have to try to get certain things secure for her before me could come in here.
You come about work or you come about other things, sir? Look here, no big man. We're in the business of pleasing and sorting out things with people.
Yes, boss.
You want the work or not?
Yes, boss. Me need the work, sir.
Look here, no, I want reliable people.
Sir,
And if we can't rely upon you, it not go work out.
I'm a reliable man. I just this morning alone and it not happen again. Me I tell you that, man.
You sure about that?
Yes, boss. It's a
Remember your
guarantee.
Peter come out, you know?
But boss, just give me a 5 minutes chance, now.
Look here now. And I saw this thing I go. My office strict. You ready?
Yes, boss.
You have your tool?
Yes, boss.
Then come out now, man.
I'm just a hard-working man. Oh yes, I've got my pride. I'm just a hard-working man. Bossy better understand.
Yeah, man, I ask some man.
Over here, sir, my boss.
Yes, sir.
I know me not thief, me a no alley button. So if me come work, you better give me something.
Come in, I don't know why them left the gate open there.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
I'm just a
So, the people in the there right now.
oh yes, me have my
So basically, as you can see, there's a whole heap of metal and iron all over the place, you see me? So what I want you to do is to move all of the metal here from the front of the yard, and I need it to be positioned at the back. Organize the short and tall steels them in a one side, put all of the rubbles them, all of the freckles them on one side. You see them things here? I want them move, I want them organized, I want them pushed to the back. You see me?
Yes, boss.
You're supposed to can do this in a half a day, because if you, as you done this,
Yeah,
you're supposed
boss.
to can jump on another piece of work, you see me?
Yeah,
A
man.
work you say you want, dog?
Yes, boss.
All right then, man. I
So-
work
so-
so, give,
so-
man.
so,
You don't
boss,
need any help to move this.
You have no gloves?
No, man, I want to see you, man. You never come with a tool. It's a work, man, if you come with tool, you know, man.
All right, boss. I know.
You know, no bag. Put one bag over your hand, man, if you're worried about that, man. No about that worry, watch your face with the dirty thing, you know, man. You forget dirty, you work, you work.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Yeah, man, put it in the
And
work.
I'll
Man.
let
I
you
hope you
down,
want
man.
1 hour, man.
And now let it down, boss.
Just cool, man. The sooner you done this, the quicker we get paid, you know, man.
All right, boss. All right.
Yeah, man. Just
man,
deal with it. So watch you now, no? I have a one link I go and make up the road. Some tool look thing up there wait for me, yeah?
All right, my boss. No
So
problem.
just go and deal with this and
So you can come pick me back in the next.
no man, find your plate. Look here, no man.
All right, boss.
Find your ways to your yard. Me carry your company work side. Me can't lead the horse, go blows and skirt water and fountain and then teach him how to drink too.
All right, boss.
Do the work, man.
Yes, boss.
All right, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Watch your daddy never know say there, you know.
Yeah, I'm there, I'm there. Boy, today was such a hard day.
So daddy, how you talk about no grocery in our house, you know?
Eh?
No groceries in our house.
I gotta organize something, man. I go, so they done from there?
No, nothing there for me eat. I'm to eat.
All right, I go and say I can turn one little pot in of magic and get you something to eat. But my girl today was such a rough day for me. But, you know, as I tell me, I work on some stuff. You understand? So just have a little faith in me. All right?
Yeah.
Ah, boy. So, what you doing today? Come realize the dishes are still nasty in the sink. Eh?
No, anybody just lie down.
That me can't take credit. You have to understand, so to be a decent citizen, you understand, you have to be a decent person. You have to look and see what can be done in a
But
house
daddy,
and
people
sort out
can't
the
work for a hungry belly.
So you tell me, say, boy, me understand that, but I'm going to start out some food now, but you still couldn't deal with little things. I be a fly, me pass out like that house, you know. Me not like fly, I'm not like ants. Well, start out last night, me still see the sink. But I'm going to tell you, Angel,
Daddy, me never feel good today, no, and me did hungry.
oh, I forget you say I feel good to box stitch. Alright, as I say, I do the work for that brother and then, because for your auntie say me go check him and me check him and he organize some work for me. So I do the work then for him, and then I'm done do the work then. I go see if I can talk to him tomorrow, I can get one little advance, and we can start do something. But I go fry 2 dumplings and see if a piece of bread. Lord Jesus, my daughter, you really sick, man?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, tomorrow, as I say, I go check him and get the advance here.
Alright.
So look at me get some rest, look a bit. Daughter, later. Wash your plate them for me first, please.
Yes, man, come, because you're done late already, you know.
Boss, never late this morning.
Never late? Well,
No,
for
sir.
you late the first time, you're always late for me.
No, you can't.
5 minutes after your pay, don't worry about that. Alright, you see which part we're there now?
Yes, boss.
See this building here? Long time it locked down. And a lot of people think say, oh, it can't come back. But me tell them say I can get it back. I can get it up and running. So this is going to be the next project. I want you to go in at this place, I want you to clean out every single thing. But I watch how it look now, you know. I say he's a hard working man. You see, once you put in this work here, nothing can stop this place from come back. You see me? But I love if you can deal with that project here, quick and fast. It's a very urgent project and I need it to get us done as soon as possible. Because remember, you know, the man them done pay up it. I mean, the man them done say them ready for this something.
Yeah,
so
we
have to get it sorted out. Yes?
Yeah, man, of course,
right,
of
good,
course.
Good. So you have your tools then?
That's the problem, boss. It's like say, me I wonder if you could have help me up on a partner, because you know.
You mean ask you earlier if you have your tool and you say you have tool, man.
But the thing is, boss, you have to tell me which part me I go. Me to know what kind of tool to carry.
Like you have to always ready, a man. Yo, look here, now, man. You have to always ready, man. But don't watch your face. I'm going to go get something for you. I'm supposed to have a room in the vehicle.
One thing me not ask about. It's like me I wonder if you could have give me a advance, because it's like my daughter sick, and you know it's like me have to get her to figure out doctor and so forth. So I don't know if you can give me an advance.
Hold on, a big man. Hold on. What name, sir? No, man. What you talking about, man? Advance. So you can use big words for me. You know, them say that. Advance. What you talking about?
Like, can you give me one down payment based on
Oh,
the amount
Jesus,
of
you
work
think of quotes? No. Look here, no big man. We in contractual business. You know what that means? Them contract you to do the work, and after you done the work, then you get your pay. And look here now, my youth, if you put in the work and get this thing up and running quick, I guarantee you soon, you get food, man, can start out to that. I mean, I'll go around you. A serious thing.
All right, boss.
It can work, man. But I'm going to go get you the broom. All right?
All right, boss.
Cool. I'm going for the broom right now.
Yeah, with me still.
Ah, you're in luck, man. You're in luck. Wallace. Yeah, man. That can do what we need to do. Get done.
Boss, you know, if you want to stick your type on this, sir.
You have tools, sir?
All right, me make you work, boss. So you say, we are deal with this like I say, you want it fast?
There is no we in this thing, a big man. Go and do the work. What is wrong with you? See me, I'll get a call, you know. I forgot to link this girl here. Yes, baby, I come in.
Nobody give me peace,
Me not
please.
sleep.
Please don't diss me. Because me never do the work in a pieces. Please don't make me go drop anything. Please pay me up my thing. Me now live like a criminal, but that's just not my thing. I'm just a hard working man. Oh yes, me have my plan. I'm just a hard working man. Boss, you better understand. Hard working man.
Sabron.
From when me there, I wait for you. I'm thinking you ain't nobody coming up.
No, man, you're mad, man. I can't turn up. Do the work, you know, man. I have to come collect the pay, you know, man.
Alright, so here we go on.
Yeah.
Me appreciate the fact that you put in so much work in and I ensure say the work them get done, you know. You understand?
Work, you don't know, I do my thing, you know, man. Me's a hard working man, you know.
Yeah,
And
man.
once you give me a job, I go ensure so I deal with it to the best of my ability.
Fee money.
Yeah,
So-
man, some work, man.
Yeah, man. We glad, man. Just ensure say work then get done. You understand? Because I have a whole heap more work in the pipeline, you know. You understand? So we just have to just get them one out of the way and sort out the others. You understand?
see.
Because people them will contract me, you know. Them believe in me, you know.
Yes.
You understand? And then me believe in you. So therefore, we all believe in each other so we get work done. You understand?
Believe no, man. So the thing set, you know. Teamwork, make the dream work, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man, and that my depend, man. Once you give me the job, hands and heart together, go in there and bust a sweat. If I all night me have to work, all night me there I put in the work. Now I left it till it done. So I'm satisfied.
That's why I have to rate you know.
Yeah,
because enough look man around the place, you know, to want work, you know. Yeah, man, you know, to want work. So that's why I like you, like you. When we get the work, them and me say, bam, 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 bam,
Yeah.
you get them done.
You know, see the last work I do? The one up near Round River up the side there. Oh God, man, deal with it perfect, man. Me I tell you, so when the people them say it wouldn't come back.
Yeah, man.
Oh, me get it clean up, man. Oh,
and
God,
the people
man.
them, the people them really appreciate you and them love it, you know, man. I be a props you get, you know.
Brother, we are putting in the work.
Alright. So I'm glad
Once you
business,
say
man.
something, I can get it done. That's
I'm your business, alright, my boss?
Yeah, man, take it easy and respect again, you see me?
Alright. Yeah,
That's
man.
it.
Sister,
Now what call me? Son, look at my brother come over here again. Me can't bother for the cook. When him they come, me a cook him come for yam. Me can't bother.
I don't want that. Sister,
Oh, what going? You can come, man. You go set on some cow food. Yes. Run this up the lighter when you're done.
when I call her from Rouge and I
No, me hear somebody they call me, you know, but me no know where the advice a come from. Me I look all about the place, cause me I try to set on the pot before the rain come down. Cause you know, say me not have no pressure cooker, so me I try to see if me can set on my cow food from early, and you see on New Year's. Me want some cow food and bean, but I don't come for some.
No, you're on
You can't share, you know, you can't share. You don't have no lighter upon you. You have lighter?
I can't ask for lighter, you just say me no smoke. You always think the worst of me. Eh? What make you stay so? Anyway,
Hungry people with smoke use lighter.
yes, walk with lighter.
So you no cook none tall of your yard.
Lighter than me yard.
But you could have just have one lighter upon you, no normal pre. You could have pass the shop and buy one lighter.
No, that man like with the brand. Then you're wrong, you know, like to accept you're wrong. Me no walk with lighter, cause me no smoke. You understand me I say? I just typically so life go.
Anyway, me not go argue over it. Me just want one light because the two little matches stick them when me did up in the box. You see the breeze blow? Every strike me strike he out him. I know me can't light the fire. Me no know what me I go do now. And me not begging about them nothing because then we can't take it tell me. So you go have to go run your yard for lighter come give me.
Better me go and shop go buy one lighter.
Well,
Brandy.
buy one for me because me not begging anybody anything.
Alright, here I go. Me come and just say something to you. Please, me can say something to you?
Say it quick and fast. Me call foot the round this so in I water the tar out.
Alright, the brother will you give me a number and tell me to check him and get some work done. Chaz, I don't remember Chaz. Remember Chaz?
Yeah man, remember him. I'm a good friend for a long time. Then I must remember him why me send it to him.
Alright. They said the man have me do some work, Brandy. And basically the work when man have me do, I don't know normal work. Right now the whole right back as a sore. Come here have a bend down and a sweep out one whole place, one whole building with one little short piece of broom. Right? But I know that is not even a hard part.
Put your back in it.
Well,
Put your back in it.
the school and Brandy man, they have to stop certain things and make me feel like say, you know, listen to me and say.
Me I listen, but a man is to stand up as a man.
Yeah, but me a man.
You is a man, act like a man.
But that me I do.
Work like a man and you receive money like a man.
Exactly, that's one and stick a fork right there. And that me I talk about now. So now me ask the man, a 3 days now me I work with the man. See? And me ask the man say, yo, if you can give me an advance because Angel round the stick and me want to
Me
start.
and you a brother.
Listen man.
Chaz, I'm a friend and you feel listen because that we do know.
Me
You
like,
just starting man work 3 days and you they look advanced. And you know they not even 1 week yet. Go on around. How that you come to me about?
you really are going to say that to me?
No, talk you God.
Brandy, listen me I say
who
no.
you see? Unless I when you are the man a friend. Are you my friend or me and my friend?
No, but
me and my friend and me not beg him no money.
A day work
you
where I do.
just go look at
Listen, man, every day I'm supposed to get paid normally. Come and talk to people.
So hold on.
I saw them where they go.
When you go to him,
No, listen,
you want him to make agreement say a job work or a day work you do? No. So how you put it as day work? Job work, wait till weekend or fortnight. What is wrong with you?
So wait till weekend.
So okay, you act like a stacky now. You want come ask Chelsea money every 3 days, 2 days or 1 day. So by the week you done our fortnight, you know none to go home to go mind my niece. One. See get there. Which one of them you walk through the back or the front? Which one of them you walk through the back or the front?
Brandy, just listen, man.
Brandy,
Right.
every time Brandy. So every little thing you care come. So me if you sorry for you, give your money because I'm not want to lend
But
you
which
money.
day me come in and give me no money? Me day I do the work. Come like say a
When
bad
me
luck
go
on
for
me.
the money and come back, you already gone.
So by the time if you
I
come
me
back,
not having no figure, so nobody ask me feet because me don't use it already.
so what I'm to niece now?
No sorry for him.
Hmm?
Is your child, is my niece. All you have to do is just bring her come make she near me so that means one plate of food she get, she have none left for carry and come give you, go look work. You are big, strong, healthy, young, thick. Look how you look like I say, them man we go to gym every day. Any woman
I
will
the
see
work
you.
them what me I do. Make me feel like say me a iron right now.
Iron.
Yo, believe
Them
me.
man fi be like a iron.
Yo, but
Stand
me
up
tell
like
you-
a iron and work like a giant. You want come play safi.
No, me that.
Woman
No,
want
I
safi, man.
no.
You have to be big
I
and
don't need that,
strong.
man.
What you dey chat about? No. The two little thing them you lift up your letter and like a baby.
Brandy right now me and that see yo right now
Let
actually
me tell you something about that the man that when name charge. See, if you not completing your work for the week, you're not getting no pay.
Hold on, the next thing too. It's like me reached 5 minutes late. 5 minutes late. Right? And the man gonna tell me say, he gonna take it 5 minutes late out of my pay.
No, you can't do that.
Exactly, me I tell you
No,
say.
my friend, but me they tell us saying can't do that. Big and serious, he can't do that. Me have to go call him. No.
Correct, I'm not trusting me now.
No, let me tell you something
Go
about
check
Charles
him.
now. Yes, when no, me nah go because I'm always busy, he never did it yet. Listen to me, me have his number and he have my number. But you see, once he knows that me call, and talk to him boy, we ease off little like pressure for you. You see, if you humble yourself and just do your work, man, you that the man that we all put money on your pay. But you see, every time you dey nag him, boss, give me your money, boss, I want an allowance, and you just start work. He will run your way.
Alright, Brandy.
But me not talk to him for you. Not talk to him for you.
Yo, Brandy, listen.
On a serious note, me and him different.
Yeah,
Nah,
so if
tell no
you're
lie.
different, just I can't check him
No,
both.
but me know
Daily
say them there
advance.
something. Maybe he thinks that me and you are just friends when they send it to him.
Check
Maybe he
him.
don't know say me and you are
Checking
brother.
about the advance for me can start out Angel. Cause Angel sound good, me I tell you.
A 3-day work.
Yeah.
Me we carry Angel a doctor. A 3-day work.
So make you
Work
not give me
for the
money
week.
then?
No, me not give you no money. Me we carry her myself because me have to definitely can prove it say my knee sick. Yes. Me know your style. Me not give you no
style?
money for go buy no front no girl. Go on. Go on which part they go. That
Make
you
you think say me have some dirty
Bro,
yo, listen to me.
enough time me give you money and say sitting to Angel.
But sitting
Angel
doing for
hungry.
true.
Angel hungry, Angel this, Angel that, Angel shoes pop off at school and he no have to walk barefoot go to school and he no
When
know
you walk
socks.
barefoot.
And then
How much Angel you talk about? I can't for me
I
Angel.
feel pick me and you can't tell me that seat there. You see it?
No, look
When
on,
they
look
tell
on.
lie, you can't remember what
Let
you
me
tell me.
say
Say. I know me a sister, you know. I
what's
no
this,
money,
sir?
you know. And you call me for phone and tell me so. I will give you my money. And me see Angel otherwise.
You step
Angel
for
in a
one
good
little
mood.
artist.
Angel in a good clothes and he a good bag for go to school. You're too wicked, man. Every minute you can me to you know say me your only sister and me will give anything you ask me for. Don't do it, man. Go on. Just
Things
bring
I
her.
used to do back then, I will not do them no more. That's not me. That's not my style. When we grew up and we used to run joke and trick. Tricks are for kids.
So you baptized? You
Brandy,
change?
yo, it's alright. Later, Brandy.
This is a new year. Go and go dip in the water. Hey, boy, turn up and listen to me. Me your elderly sister. The same water where John did dip Jesus in, go and go dip in there. Change. I make me believe say you change.
Yeah,
eh?
pastor. Eh?
Pastor.
You know the Bible good. Eh?
I
You're
always
going like
have
you're
to
not
know
a
my
sinner.
Bible.
Eh?
What?
You're
So
going
what
like
if
you're
me
a
a
sinner.
sinner? Me still know Jesus and me know my Bible.
Remember your past. Remember what you used to do. Remember me book already yesterday tell me if you never tell mama.
Oi.
Remember that.
Me not live in a
When
no
me
part,
book you
because-
there so you said don't tell mama. You remember? You remember that?
Come out of me yard. Dirty rich. Chaz. Chaz. That's bad. And the vehicle not there. Next time I just wait until he come back because I now come back around 9 up. I have too much sitting to do.
Wait, you finally find me hard.
You know how long me I wait for you?
For G's and peace, man.
Come here, me G. A long time I want to see if I talk to you. But from me see the vehicle now in the yard, me know see you not there, you know.
Yeah, well,
A good while me there so wait for you.
Yes.
Me I did a call you, but me just say me now left me wait till you come. Long time me I wait for you. Come on, me G.
sorry about that, man. Sorry about that.
Me here a long time for it.
Yeah, man, what going?
Me I sit to talk to you about.
Come on, Brandy, man. Talk what is on your mind.
My brother, man. I don't know if you know, say my brother, you know, the time when I call you and tell you, say, I go send somebody to you to get the job. You know, say you two I work with you is my brother?
Yeah, man. One public you talk about.
Yes.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
I'm my brother. But I don't understand him. He have one little daughter named Angel.
Yeah.
I'm a niece.
Right.
I don't know, but something wrong. He ever broke. Before he get the job from you, me make him get many more jobs. And every job when he get, problem occur. He have to end up left. Either him and one of the other co-worker them in a some argument, or they have something to put on his file say in this and in that. But one thing with him though, I know him and no thief.
Right.
You understand me? He come on me yard several times and I tell me say, a big work you give him for do. And he place, one place where you buy, somewhere around the road round, so where me did go time here show me say you go set up it
Right,
and
right.
run in a one nice little business. He say you carry him around there. And when you give him the broom to clean out the place, he have to bend right now in back and kill him. Because he say the broom shot so. I don't know. He say you had to kill him with work and he don't get nothing to eat and he asks if he want little money, one little allowance. And you say, no. Oh, I must see 3 days if me remember the right thing. Say I must see 3 days in work and he ask if he allowance and he want money before time I want to pass it.
I see.
So I don't understand. He say you not pay me right money. I don't make say come my brother me and nothing, I just come to talk to you. I not quarrel. Because you know me a tuggy like that. We can talk about anything for a long time.
Fair enough, Brandy.
But I ask you do. If you can put one little bit of money on the money when you have, because you see little girl when you have on my niece and right now you tell me saying sick. And the little money when I have, I go have to take care of Angel, go a doctor. I don't know what I do with money because me give him money and me have to give him fear if he come around in the morning time.
I would have asked you the very same thing. What is it that he's doing with the money? Because every time I know when time this man work, I pay him in full.
Say God no.
Brandy, I make him wanting and nothing.
Here we are.
So I really don't understand where he's coming from when he come tell you say him not get this and him not get that. I pay the man. Brandy, I would not take advantage of somebody like that. If you work for me, I go ensure say me pay you for your labor.
So what is the problem then? Because him a work and he ever broke. He not no money. He say you not pay him on time.
Well, that will be an issue where you and whomever else.
Hold on there. How long since he start work with you?
He has been working over a week now.
So you pay him already?
I have given him 7 days pay.
Oh, me not want inquisitive in him business, but you take it to me and me and your friend, me want how much money you pay him a week time?
Well, it is not my person or my place to actually speak of a man's business salary like that.
But I'm a brother and he would really like for me come to you if you put our money on it.
Well,
how much money you give him a week
Well,
time?
I am going to be honest with you. I gave him $25,000.
The blood of Jesus.
I gave him $25,000 because I believe that he was doing an exceptional job. $25,000 as I stand right here in the sun.
You know, so then call $1,000, $100. So when you say $25, I mean 25,000. You
Paid him.
You Chaz.
Paid
For me
him.
friend when me know you for a long time.
Paid him.
When me used to help back in the school, give my
Paid
brother $25,000.
$25,000 cash in his hand.
You know come with no money.
I am not aware of what him do with it. And quite frankly, I do not know. But then this slandering of my name is not good for business. I really do not appreciate him telling people that I don't give him his money. I really don't understand why he would spread such a propaganda on me. Look here, I'm an upstanding citizen, you know, and I don't get where I'm at for telling lies and for not paying people. I don't like it. And look what my house. This is not come by no petty shop or patty shop business. I run honest living and I pay people. Quite frankly, I'm appalled.
So, Wolande, Chaz, you want to tell me, say my brother really look at me and tell me lie? Say you do not pay him properly? The fairness when you work, you're supposed to pay him the right wages and you, they tell me, say you give him and him tell me, say you no give him.
Miss Brandy?
You want to tell me, say a line they tell them?
Miss Brandy?
Jesus Christ.
My name is Chaz Marks.
I know say Chaz Marks your name. Remember say me used to go I see him.
And my name is not no dibby name in the streets. My name whole standard, it whole value, it whole weight.
Listen. Me know say your name Chaz Marks for a long time, but you see the marks them. Me not tell you this me this you know. Me and you are friend and don't think I'm being disrespectful. Me I tell you, me know some marks. Then we work out people and don't pay them the right money. Then have you like a slave and them is the master. So then work you go, then work you come and you see it. When the time come for you get your money, then give you what they feel like for give you, then use people. Then use you, and when they done, then kick you out of them place. You understand? As some know some marks them. I know if you know them marks them, and you me they talk.
I am fully aware of these reputations of certain marks out there. I am fully aware. Because to be honest, I had to convince people that I am not like them. But as I said to you, I put in the work. I did what I needed to do to get where I'm at. And Brandy, I stand by my name. I pay the man in money.
Hold on there, Chaz. When you pay my brother, public, because I don't know if him normally tell me like, you know. So I don't understand how you come and tell me, you know, say you pay him, and at the end of the day, him say, you know, give him no money. I don't understand this, because you know, normally tell me like, and me always say, don't in him and they say, I hope I no thief this and I hope you know, do this and I hope you do that, just because I want him tell me the truth, but me already know, say, he might tell me the truth. Just this now, just this me I talk about now, this, nothing else.
Yes.
I just want to know. That's why I come to find out if you give him the right money or if you pay him, because he ever broke, he don't have no money. Me have to give him money all the while. I don't understand. And him the work. How you feel the work and broke so?
You know what I'll do?
I don't understand this.
This is what I'll do for you.
You think me should have carry him come and talk to you in front of him?
That won't be necessary. I am going to give that young man a call very, very shortly.
So you don't want me to carry my brother contact to you in front of him?
But this is what I am saying to you. You don't have to worry about that part of it. I'm going to handle this like a man.
Okay.
Because as I said, this is a meaningful thing that I need to get sorted out.
But nobody fire him, you know?
I am not going to do such a thing. That is beneath me. I will, however, talk to him and try to find out what it is that he's doing with the money when I give it to him. And then I need to set him straight on his priorities, because his priorities are not straight. Probably him out there gambling and giving woman money.
Alright, then hold on there. You say, me no fi carry him contact to you in front of him. You will call him.
I am going to call him.
Okay, alright.
And I want you to not worry about the situation. As a matter of fact, leave it in my hands completely. I am going to sort it out. I'm going to get to the meat of this matter.
Okay.
Alright, Brandy.
Anyway, thank you for your time.
Yeah, man, thank you for coming by and letting me know about what the situation. I'm going to sort it out.
Alright.
Yeah, man? Take it easy. Alright. Damn boy, yeah, man. This damn boy can't keep himself quiet. You think he's going to mash up my little fun? I have my girls and I have to give my money to, you know. To this man, yeah, man. I'm a little gambling a bit. Oh, God, man. He think he can mash this up. This boy, I don't know, say I'm working for what. He thinks that's how this thing I go. What are you going to do, man? I'm going to call him. I'm going to kill him with work. Watch me on him. That boy public. Boy making his sister come up here to me. I know where I'm going. What do you want? Smarter than that. Go and give him a little thing and take him off from my back. You know, Mr. Marks, you're smarter than you think. Yeah, man. Exactly that. Give him a little thing and cool him off, and then give him some more excuses. That makes sense.
Angel! Angel! What are you blinking, girl? Angel!
Yes, Daddy.
3.
May I come?
Inside 30, like back. 30,
Yes, Daddy.
30.
Daddy,
Alright.
we are going with buckle.
You know where I go with them? But I have to go start them out because I have to go get some medication for you. Yesterday I get $1,000 from a good friend. So all I'm going to do now is get some more money from this. Here? And start 1, 2, 3, 4.
Daddy, you know what I do? A long time I don't drink no supper gen do.
Drink now what?
No supper gen, man.
So you want to drink supper gen for? What you want to boost up? Me tell this man, no ramp with me.
Daddy, me not boots up nothing, but a long time I don't drink.
Yeah, make a long time. Keep it that way there. So hear me now. Only thing I want to concentrate on is selling them back here. No supper gen right now, but as I say, if the boss sort me out today, then
Daddy,
see what
must
can I
start
do.
you up, man, Daddy.
Well, just keep your toe, finger crossed and your tribe crossed, everything. You understand? So everything can work out. What about that count now?
Yes, boss.
So later, yeah?
Alright.
All right.
Me a forward you know. If I work, I work. I'm just a hard-working man. Oh yes, I've got my pride. I'm just a hard-working man. Bossy better understand. Because me nah beg you nothing. I know me nah thief. Me a no alley button. So if me come work, you better give me something. Holiday ya come on me walk.
Alright.
Yeah, man, we're there, man.
Okay.
Oh yes, me have my pride. I'm just a hard-working man.
My friend gave me up my boss. Now try to get some stuff done.
All right, so
So
this is
which one
our
you
next
know?
project.
Mm.
It may not look like much now, but I want you to look over this. I don't know if you can see the vision right now, you know. But me I tell you, so when time you're done with over here, sir, I want to drop a house on it. Yeah, man, I clean out the whole of your son. Can drop a nice house on it. But I look for drop an apartment. What you say? You think you can do that?
Yeah, man, I come for work still, you know. But normally them places look like a weed whacker and them something and saw and something like.
The last man when me employ with a weed whacker, you know. When him left with the weed whacker. I never seen him back since.
I understand.
So, I not take them risk there again. So I go to the shop and make sure I buy a file and buy a Mash 9. I go work with over there, man. Cause if you look on it too, you know, them big old tree there, you need machete, you can't use no weed whacker upon them tree there. Some soft area, but don't worry about that too much. See this spot there? You have to do this for seat, you know.
Alright,
That's
man.
what I talk about.
I feel your business. Me don't really get
Yeah,
to your
man, more you
business.
deal with it, man.
But I want to have a conversation with you about something, boss.
How you want to talk about that now?
Me I get the work done, right?
Yeah, man, you do the work, man.
Yeah.
Other than the one day you come a little
5
late
minutes
there.
late. 5 minutes the first
Yeah,
time.
but you know.
Alright, but me I said to myself, say,
Yeah.
good day I work now for
Yes.
over a week now. See? Which is 7 days and so forth. And me not get not even $1 in my pocket, boss. You understand?
You see, I know you that said that, you know.
What
I
me
could
can-
read your mind, you know. I know say you want that thing, man. And I
You
know say
must
you...
want that thing, bro.
Watch this now, man. The people have never come through on the work. Them tell me, say them they are going to lodge the money to my account, and them never lodge the money. I mean, I like when time people operate, so you know. But you know what I got to do? I can give you a thing for go and hold you over until I get the money, then I collect it back out tight.
Yeah, man, that's what even though I don't want the piece, because piece is a problem.
Well, it's either you take the piece or you don't get it none at all and wait till what first week now and then
Boss,
one
a
week
holiday, you know,
lap over.
I'm my daughter even want to
Yeah,
go.
and then up you over money for holiday, you know, so that would have lap over today, so. And then you check that with it at 2 weeks time, you have to wait. You know.
Alright, just.
Yeah, man, I go give you a thing, man. So you what you do? You just go deal with it over here, sir. And by the time you're done here, sir, you can give you a thing. Just call me. No, as a matter of fact, so until you're done, we will call you. And then come give you some money, yeah?
It's a chat.
What is that?
Me not ready if you give me the money the first, because the last time you say I forward and thing.
Big man, haven't I been giving you work?
You remember my place where people steal them and sitting. Me never have taxi fare and you know forward. The next place up a road river where you say you go forward back after a certain time. Me not see you. And I walk, me have to walk on my yard.
You just
But
do
if
the
me say-
big
if-
man.
if-
You
if
just
me a
fear do the work, and then when you
No,
done do the work, me just give you money.
Me not believe so.
You don't want the
cause
money.
Me need,
You don't want the money.
Me need. Alright, give me what you give me.
I say when time you done, as soon as
So me
you finish
finish.
sort out your sir,
Mm-hmm.
me come link you. I'ma give you a food. I style a big man. Oh, I'm here.
But the thing, we have to even talk about the amount of money we're supposed to get.
Don't worry, your brain. You see now, when you put too much things by your brain, that's the problem there. Cause watch this now. You is a trade man. Your trade is to clean and sort out. You don't worry about them high position person like me work.
Boss, I hate this. I'm not calling not even nothing. My daughter sick, you know, man.
I say no, man.
Alright,
You worry
alright.
about the wrong thing.
Alright.
Worry about your job over there, so I
Alright.
make me worry about the paperwork. The
Alright.
paperwork is me need to ensure that me give you a thing to do some work over here, so. I'm going to pay you good. Don't worry about it, man. When me give you money, your face can't vex.
Alright, boss. Me have a problem again, boss. Me don't have no tools to go over there, so.
Ay. Big man, every time you come and work, me tell us if you bring your tool. You don't have no tool?
But boss, me don't know what kind of work you bring upon every day. A different place. Is that like
Bring
the guy
everything.
same time? Good worker. Here.
What you looking at the tool
The
for?
machine you say we forget.
What you mean? So you don't have to level the land?
So alright, so we mash it the boss.
Get into that. I look like me have to give you all of my tool. Look, you know, I go charge you for rent my tool. You know, so I go make your rent, I go start make a pay rent for my tool. Every time me and you come up and work, me have to give you all of the tool. And that's a tool going on. You have to buy your own things when they get your work.
Alright, so level it over there, son.
Just go level that.
Alright, boss.
Remember, you know, level land can want drop a nice house for apartment. Come on, man, you waste time, you know, man. You don't want to get paid.
Yes, do. When man give me some money now, we might talk about I have to done work. So I have to go walk up.
I'm just a hard-working man, boss, you better understand. Because me nah beg you nothing, I know me nah thief, me a no alley button. So if me come work, you better give me something. Holiday ya come and me want cook mutton. I'm just a hard-working man, oh yes, me have my plan. I'm just a hard-working man, no thief, me a no alley button. So if me come work, you better give me something. Pay me 'cause me have my plan. Nobody give me peace. Please don't diss me, because me never do the work in a pieces. Please don't make me go drop anything. Please pay me up my thing. Me not live like a criminal, but that's just not my thing.
Yo, what go on?
I'm there, man. I saw it from chats for forward back. I'm going to start out some stuff. But he left me a son, you know, me there. I finish up. But he's saying soon forward in.
Alright, give me a minute, man. Come on, come in about something, you know, man. Come on, man. Come on.
Alright, my friend.
I give one little $1,000 cause boy, me I tell you, buy a drink. Cause you guys have been doing a wonderful job. You know me, right?
No, I don't know. I first me I say.
Oh, here what go on, man. I'm me the contractor and I'm me get charge the work. You know me I say, and Uno been doing a good job. You know me I say, me love the job Uno do. And yeah, man, and that is the reason why me always ensure say me pay charge on time. Me ensure so Uno get take care of because Uno do a phenomenal job.
So basically you pay me already?
Yeah, talk about man, me never, a matter of fact, me always pay him before time.
You serious, boss?
Yeah, man, me always pay him before time, man, because me I tell you, say, honestly,
Mr. Contractor, I don't mean if you cut in, but guess what now? You see, me have a daughter. And my daughter sick, I'm go to the man and I tell the man, say, if you can give me an advance, you just carry the girl go to the doctor. The man say, you don't want him advance. And the thing is, it's like 7 days now, my day I work on the work. You understand me? I say, animal.
Alright.
What I know?
Me have to deal with this because, to be honest, as me say, I've been a PM on time and me feel,
sir.
right now, me feel disappointed.
You know, say.
Yeah, because he assure me, say, I appreciate you and me think, say, man, ensure, say, take care of all the workers, them.
No, boss. 7 days now, I'm on the work.
Alright, don't worry yourself. But we ensure so me take full control of this because me can make him create a bad reputation for me. You understand? Because he is just a regular worker, I'm a contractor, you know.
Which worker? Boss, so the man come and just drop off and gone. And me I do the work, boss. So any work you see I go on for the past 7 days, and me I do the work. And you see you pay him as as time go along. So I know when you feel like say him a do no work, you know do no work, boss.
Alright. Don't worry yourself. Me start you, man. Alright?
Alright, boss. Give thanks for 1,000 now, because right now this I can put towards even the taxi fare for carry go a doctor. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Respect our manners.
Alright.
How what the eye name?
Yeah, man. Mr. Brown, man.
Mr. Brown. Respect Mr. Brown. Yeah?
Alright. Yeah, man. Alright. Sorry about that.
Alright, boss. Respect our manners. Yes, sir.
Alright. And don't tell him, don't something to me, no. Me deal with it.
Boy, hard for something still in the bossy.
No, man. Don't something, man. Me deal with it.
Yes, boss. Yeah, man. Me a follow you know. If I work, I work. I'm just a hard-working man. Oh yes, I've got my plan. I'm just a hard-working man. Bossy better understand. Because me nah beg you nothing. I know me nah thief. Me a no alley button. So if me come work, you better give me something. Holiday a come on, me want cook mutton. I'm just a hard-working man. Oh yes, me have my plan. I'm just a hard-working man. No thief, me a no alley button. So if me come work, you better give me something. Be me come me have my plan. Nobody give me peace. Please don't diss me. Because me never do the work in a pieces. Please don't make me go drop anything. Please give me up my thing. Me now live like a
So I'm doing this, you know.
No, sorry, it's your child, it's mine. Bring her come. She near me so that me not say none to you.
You don't sit down. Come, it's your child, it's mine.
Come.
Action.
Come. Nobody worry about her. It's your child and it's my niece. All you have to do is just bring her come, make she near me so that me not one plate of food she get, she not none less in her and come here. Go look up. You are big, strong, healthy, young, thick. Look how you look like I said, them man we go to gym every day. Any chance, me face go feel make me fling in there. Yeah, people in money like you're weak, Kelly, you.
So,
And that's just in a garbage truck.
take it from the part where I say, if you have light, I say me not smoke. Ready? Yes. Yeah, you can catch it, you can catch it. But me come after the more for yourself. I'm not sure how.
You have lighter?
You have to have a light, you don't say me not smoke. Wait, you always think the worst of me. Eh? What make you stay so? Anyway.
Hungry people with smoke. This funny drunk, you know? You know, better take up in good one than when you have washed on dog. I don't want this no good.
200. You ready?
Action.
Hold on. Make your top of the food down. Yes, man.
Ready now?
Yeah. Action! What?
You change? A new year this. The same water where John did dip down Jesus. Hey, boy, stand up and listen to me. You're your elderly sister. The same water where John did dip Jesus in, go and go dip in there. Change. I make me believe so you change.
Yeah, pastor. Eh?
Pastor.
You know the Bible good. Eh?
I
You're
always
going like you're
know
not a
my
sinner.
Bible.
Eh?
What?
You're
So
going
what
like you're
if
a
me a
sinner.
sinner? Me still know Jesus and me know my Bible.
Remember your past. Remember what you used to do. Remember me book already yesterday tell me say you never tell mama.
Oi.
Remember that.
Me not live in a
When
no
me
part.
book you there so you said don't tell mama. You remember? You remember that?
Come out of me yard. Dirty rich. But me not even bad want the brass pot.
Yo, me love that your fast.
John!
Come here. So me see it now, so Jesus Christ. I'm gonna come my way. Perfect. Get that.
I'm just a hard-working
But you know, if you want to stick your pipe on it, you have souls there. Alright, me make it.
Man, just go clean out this up now, man, and get this thing done, man.
Alright, but so you come, your power come pick me up. Just gonna
We're
do
talking about the weed.
Yeah.
We are going to deal with this.
Yeah, alright.
And we are doing this if you
Wait,
want
wait.
it quick. And we take it off. And we are deal this guy, so you want it quick.
So if me come work,
You smell like a burn.
give me peace,
I'm not sure.
becoming never When I live like a criminal, but that's just not my thing. I'm just a hard-working man. Oh yes, we have my pride. I'm just a hard-working man. Boss, you better understand. Hard-working man.
Right. Well, forget to say.
And what me I gonna say?
Let's get on this. Yes, I got your man.
I don't shit me and shit.
No. That your man that can't work. What do you mean to tell me that? Go and get this in my man. Take that record. Sorry. No, do it again. Take that record.
Yeah, my mom is only like every day back to my life.
Yourself, are you lock?
Teacher.
So if you're back in there.